any pictures and coming back, bro, I can't explain. Okay, too embarrassed.
Oh god.
You all have to give me content now after that.
Oh.
Firstly, what do you do? हाथ लगाओ, नहीं लगाओ, ये करो. Like, how do you like decipher? I had a Blair Waldorf party 22nd.
दिख रहा है.
Oh, yeah.
We just did it now. Chaparelli.
Spicy हो गया थोड़ा.
Babe.
Good one. I was gonna say bass.
Best, cause Yashita
Chuck
best.
मैंने bass बोला bro.
Bass, Chuck Bass.
My 21st birthday, he threw a birthday party at Westwick. Epic party.
ये तो देख, इस खुद की शक्ल लगा रही है मैं. Girl, थोड़ा एक लाइट सामने लगाएगी तो हमारे शक्ल में
Thank
फीचर्स
you.
दिखेंगे.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Much better.
हाँ, now you
Next.
sleep on me. Perfect. Kiss कर दो ऐसे. This needs to stop.
नहीं you need.
इतने लंबे नहीं हैं हम याशिता. यशिता, युशु, याशु बुलाना नहीं मुझे बात से.
Yash.
तो कुछ निकनेम दो.
Okay, you want to. You're better off.
I will.
Come on, one of our
मैं
laps.
करूँगी बीच में.
Like, let me have my
अभी
moment.
my Pete is needing some
Take up.
take.
I think
Okay.
Yashita should go.
We're
to
doing
our
very like we're gonna do Graham. We're gonna do one sec. We're gonna do we're gonna do the Norton Show meets like Jimmy Fallon meets Karan Johar Coffee with Karan. Okay, let's go. Bedtime
like
stories with us.
Okay. Chaos night.
Fatfata, what is your favorite animal?
Leopard.
dog.
Favorite.
Whale. I love
Explain,
whales.
yeah.
Whales. What is your favorite word? Mine is spatula. I love the word spatula. It's so much fun to say. Like it's like spatula.
Okay, my favorite word in the recent times is disgusting.
Wow. Mine is concoction.
You bitch.
A concoction.
Yeah, and for anything
Concoction.
I'm like,
I have to say it with a lot of.
disgusting. I can't.
So whatever.
Like
Oh, it's so.
derogatory.
Oh my God. So
Yeah.
South Bombay, Isha Ambani of you. खुद का देख रही है बस
Adjusting.
पीछे हम तो मतलब
Can someone just shut the door behind it would be perfect for you.
हम
Isha, get up. Bol.
पूछ तो
What word do you have a hard time pronouncing?
What?
We just did it now. Chaparelli.
Who do you text the most?
Oh, myself. I'm just sending myself.
Mom. Also, yeah, my mom. I keep
I
calling
put
her.
one more pillow.
Currently, who are you texting most? Spicy हो गया थोड़ा. Isha, you're not.
No, I'm currently texting most on my trio group. Reels कैसे भेजूं दोनों को?
Reels कैसे भेजना? कौन से reels करने हैं?
No, that's the group name. It's Reels कैसे भेजूं दोनों को?
Who is your hero?
Ah, no.
Please बस
Who's
हो
your
गया.
hero though?
नहीं ये सब हमें कॉफी विद करण करना है.
Yeah. Name a four-letter word that starts with the letter B.
Bitch.
4 letter.
I know.
Babe.
Good one.
Boob.
I don't think I can top that.
Clearly done. I was gonna say bass.
Best, cause Yashita
Chuck
best.
Yeah.
My 21st birthday, he threw a birthday party at Westwick.
Oh.
I'll show you all the reel. Bastion, the whole Bastion.
Wow.
Epic party.
I had a Blair Waldorf party.
दिख रहा है.
You all made me wear this. By the way, if it looks like I don't look like myself,
It's because
it's kidnapped and they've kidnapped me.
Describe your style in one word.
My style.
Style.
I'm not describing my style, but I'll just tell you things I like and things I don't like.
One word.
ठीक है? बहुत rapid.
I love solid colors. I can't wear like florals and patterns and stripes and shit. Is
Okay,
not
can I
me.
give you all one deep? So there's this psychological thing that what you like to like 3 things that you want to dress up as, or like 3 qualities in clothes, are actually things you want from your partner. It's a proven fact.
So what is
मैं तो काले कपड़े पहनती रहती हूँ पूरे दिन. तो what I want काला दिल. That's how I'm getting these guys.
Color is this word?
No. Like for
I want a
example,
solid partner.
I would say easy breezy, or I would say good quality,
But
or
that's what you would say. What is actually
perfect fit, or something like that.
Needs to
I
sleep
would
in
say-
past her bedtime. She needs to go to Pilates in the morning.
It's true. I'm being very honest. Think about it. What do you like to wear? Is stuff that you are looking
I
for.
love tight fitted clothes, so I don't know what you're saying.
She likes people who make her feel uncomfortable.
I love sweatpants. I love
People
sweatpants.
who make her sweat in the pants. Okay.
This needs to stop. Please.
What were you afraid as a child?
Ghosts.
Huh?
Ghosts. Literally. मेरे को नहीं जाने होता था washroom without the light on. Ghosts.
Yeah, in darkness.
I feel like Khushi will have an answer for this. What's a good spy code name for you?
Ooh.
Oh, have you watched Totally Spies?
No.
Bro, I've not seen any of it.
Have I not watched Totally Spies? Oh my god. Clover. Clover would be my spy code name. From Totally Spies, Clover. मेरी favorite है तू.
क्या होगा तेरा? स्पाई तो सिर्फ खुशी बन सकती है.
Yeah.
क्यों याशरा बन सकती है? कितना invasion of privacy
क्या?
कर रही है वो?
I don't think she can be a spy. I think she'll
I'm an
she'll
open book.
yeah,
Everyone
exactly.
knows everything.
She's just like open. She'll
Yeah.
go and tell this person, listen, I'm spying on you. I don't think
This
she can.
Yashra's answer. What is one thing you regret spending money
Oh,
on?
yeah,
I think it
you should answer.
I should be her drips, her facials. Her
I don't pay for them.
आपको लैब में मिलता है ना?
I think you should answer this.
I don't regret it actually, though it's a Balenciaga bag which is small to carry out.
I've seen it.
But
I've seen it.
can I be honest? I took it out and I felt so in Atlantis, Dubai, and I felt so confident, bro, because
Yeah.
everyone there was laden with brands,
Yeah.
and I'm like, if I went out looking like a nobody, I would be a nobody. So sometimes you do need the brand name.
Fair enough.
Okay. What? Which one do you want to do?
Which one?
What is your hidden talent, guys? Show me.
Finding doppelgangers. I really,
Really?
I
Oh, yeah.
really can.
What?
Dude, I'm not joking. It's a thing. I can tell you that there are 7 people who look alikes in the world, of course, but I have found at least, bro, in my
Mere
own
don't
college. In my own college, I have found 5 people who look like each other.
What?
Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm really good at this.
Actually, even I'm good at this because I think nothing.
We meet a lot of people.
I don't know if they're all my exes kind of look the same, but I think maybe that's just also called a type. So
That's the type.
Mistook it. But क्या होता है अगर hidden मतलब कुछ है जो तूने नहीं बताया और you don't make obvious. Like we all know you're great at dancing, but what's hidden?
I can't think.
I can't wait.
Let's move on.
Yeah.
How do you usually answer the
I know
telephone?
you're telling me.
How do you usually answer your telephone?
Do you
Ashita doesn't answer.
do you serious question? Do you all like rehearse before you all pick up the phone and like for example
If I'm talking to a guy, maybe,
you
but
rehearse what you have to say?
rehearse is a really
I
strong
know
word.
people who basically
What?
they will make a phone call to order food. They have to rehearse it before.
What?
Yeah, some people
I'm
are
judging you now.
Not me. I'm just saying
I
some
know.
You're judging.
Yeah.
But,
What?
So it's a
oh,
loss
okay,
now.
okay.
It was always never. It was she would have killed me. She would have.
Can I tell you, a friend of mine has actually done
I
it,
know,
and I
you
was talking.
told me.
Yeah, okay. Where do you prefer to go on a first date?
Huh.
Good question. I think movie
Okay.
dates are really nice.
Oh, movie date. Oh no, I wanna like a movie date.
I want to
Because
first
you can't
date.
talk.
First date, what do you do? हाथ लगाओ, नहीं लगाओ, ये करो. Like, how do you like
I
decide for
would
a
like
movie
to go
date?
for like a gaming thing.
Yeah, I mean, actually, I would.
What if you don't suck at the game?
That's fine.
That's okay.
But
I'm
that's
very-
how you deal with it.
So
right?
I
You
have
just
very
suck
like
it in.
banter
Whether you're a
flirting.
sport or not.
Yeah. Girl, she's like me.
Yeah.
Too
So
much
I
on
have
her.
very like banter flirting. So I like get competitive and things like I'm like, yeah, you teach me, I'll teach you. That's fucking fine. Like all of those things. So an arcade or something would be, or
Yeah.
learning like probably like I don't know, like going swimming or something would also be fun.
I'm going swimming. She's going next level. Asking
Yeah,
me dipping and
bro.
all.
Already first date पूछा है.
Swimming.
You think
But
that's
I'm not.
first day
Yeah,
swimming?
like a nice jacuzzi would be so nice.
फर्स्ट डे
First
जकूजी
date
तो नहीं कर रही
jacuzzi.
मैं फिर वो
First
डेट
date
सेकंड डेट तक पहुंचेगी ही नहीं
Okay, quick options. Work or play? I think you will to choose work only, Khushi. No matter how much you want to play.
I don't know.
You're choosing work.
I'll tell you, I told us.
You can't live without
No,
working. Are you mad?
my have a
Plate.
book, paper, pen, and I want to be living in that childhood colors. I want
paper,
to see.
pen, book and paper, same.
Bro, the question is work or play.
She's on another tangent. She just wants to talk. Talk it out.
What would you say?
I'll do both.
Choose karna hai. The point of the question is to choose.
Then work. I can't play all day.
I can play all day. I
With
Okay, tough. Love or friendship?
ooh.
I feel like I've tasted one. And I would want to taste the other, so yeah.
I would want it to be love, but reality is just kicking in to be friendship.
yeah.
तो इतना श्योर है क्या कि डिवोर्स हो जाएगा?
अभी तक मेरी क्या
I
बात?
know.
Oh, I think one year happiness.
You have to choose between love or friendship. So would you want a long-lasting marriage or a long-lasting friend group?
A long-lasting marriage need not be a long-lasting love, right? You can
Yeah.
also have
Wow.
Yeah.
Good perspective.
Yeah.
a long-lasting friend can also be a long-lasting marriage. If you're friends when you're married to that person, I think that's very
दोनों
important.
को
Love
एक choose
fades.
करनी
But
है.
same ही चीज.
Love fades.
But you're talking about both in one person, no? I'm saying, what would you choose? Would you want your best friend for life or your partner for life? I tweaked the question, but very difficult.
I think part.
Oh,
I'll tell you
Isha,
why.
who's your best friend?
No, there's a reason. I'll tell you why. Because you don't know whether that best friend is going to choose you or not, right?
But do you know the partner's going to choose you?
Yeah. Because y'all will have those conversations, right?
Exactly.
And you will know where y'all stand with each other. And with a partner,
Your-
you
your
cannot go
best friend-
really further away. You even if it's not working out, you know in your heart, you know.
Yeah.
So unless
Your
you're
best
delusional.
friend, your best friend might choose that other person. So then what? You're still left alone, right?
God, Zada, okay.
With money or happiness?
Happiness.
Happiness.
Very basic, bhai.
No, but I think a lot of men would choose money.
But because
Bro, a
that
lot
is
of men,
happiness for
a
them
lot
in
of
their
men
head.
feel like if they have money.
See,
it
also
goes
why
for
a
will be
man
happy.
will choose money is because they've been through that thing, you know, ki you have to provide, you have to do this, you have to do that. So for them, that then psychologically becomes like
Yeah.
the most important. That's like their worth will come out of
Question
that.
6, I don't think they mean it in the same way.
Salty or sweet, morning and evening. Okay, but I'm asking.
Your answer, your
Morning
answer.
or evening, guys? Tell me.
Let's
बताओ.
do sunrise,
Or
sunset.
afternoon.
I feel
Or
like
after dusk or dawn.
I need golden hour to be on my body.
Wow, she's like,
Oh.
my skin has to shine when I'm doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Find your dream job or win the lottery. Very easy.
Find your dream job or win the lottery. Dream job, I feel the satisfaction only comes in then.
But dream job to do.
लॉटरी तो मैं 1 महीने में ना खर्च जाएगा मेरे से. Dream job at least like
Provide करेगा forever. True.
What the fuck? Do you kill bugs you find inside or
ये तो
take
हंस
them
ले या
outside?
तो फिर क्वेश्चन बोल ले हाँ.
Do you kill bugs you find inside or take them outside?
I get
I-
out.
See, I have
Okay,
4
let me
things
get
I
out.
hate in life. I have 4 things I hate in life.
Scared as fuck.
I love bugs, but I can't. I'm okay with bugs.
One
Like,
is Lal Bagh people. Second,
one is cops. Second is
why cops?
because I don't. Bombay cops are. I can't deal with them. Taxi drivers, Kali Pili drivers, fuck all behavior.
When you're on your period, तो
Machhar,
फिर तो-
Machhar, bro, mosquitoes. I can't deal with mosquitoes and flies. I'm also.
You know you're living in Bombay. Not
In monsoon.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say now.
Do you prefer social time or alone time? Alone time?
Yeah.
Social time? She needs both.
I used to
Yeah,
be,
I need
be a very
both.
social person.
So it's like
Yeah.
she's an extrovert. She's a.
I'm a mid.
You're an. We both are
Ambivert.
ambi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ambi. I used to be very social.
I'm
Now,
a
like I want to be
amphibian.
in.
Wow. Question 22 is also very. I'm not
22?
thinking
I
it,
can't
okay?
read only.
You are thinking it. I'm not thinking it.
Learn by watching or learn by doing. Tell me. ये सब उसको चाहिए कि मैं बोलूं इसलिए वो ऐसे कर रही है.
This you can
ठीक है?
cut.
बता.
This
नहीं,
is
now
not-
she has to
Now
answer.
answer.
Now she
Now
has to
answer.
answer.
Learn by doing, obviously.
Yeah.
What's the point?
Both, no.
Who do you want to watch, Kushi? It's the question.
I would love to watch like Ian Somart. My celebrity crushes definitely.
Oh.
Are you more of a? Are you
What do you mean by
Cannonball into
Where,
the
where,
pool
where?
or dip a toe into cannonball?
Cannonball.
Dive into the pool.
No, not dive.
like sir head first, na?
No. Cannonball is when you jump with like this, like your legs up.
Oh.
Like a backflip?
No,
No.
like you jump like this.
Oh.
She did it.
I actually did it. No.
Or dip in a toe. Yeah, dip in a toe, na, because like you'll be scared of the
No, I
water.
like to do it. Who's scared of water?
If it's cold or something like
No, I just go in.
I think it's a psychological
I just go in.
question.
It's like, you know how Bunny says, no sorry, how Naina says कि पानी है थोड़ी देर में सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Oh
So
my god. Wow, इतना deep चला गया ना वो. Okay. What's the cringiest thing you did as a teenager?
oh my teenage
Oh my.
life is only equals to cringe, but I don't know, probably like use Retrica and post like TikTok videos.
Oh,
or
I
shit.
mean, I don't know if y'all had that, but you know, like those MacBook filters.
Oh, but that was embarrassing. I still love those MacBook filters. They're
Shut
so
up.
good.
What?
Yeah, they was really good.
I don't know.
Give me embarrassing. Cringy is like we've all done.
Embarrassing.
I'll go first. I've shat my pants at tuitions and I've come home. Like,
How? Why?
dude, I had 7 a.m. classes, math. In the morning, I had to climb a slope. It's like drinking water, building the pressure, and then coming back. Bro, I can't explain. Okay, too embarrassing.
Oh god.
You all have to give me content now after that.
We've given you too much content.
Give me one embarrassing thing, come on.
Once it need to stretch.
Embarrassing, huh, Khushi? Embarrassing.
अरे रुकना बहुत सारे एक बताना है.
Something though you must have done, bro.
I'm sure, but now to think, know what it was. I've shat when I was like in the 4th standard, not teenage.
I don't know.
Guys.
I used to pee in my bed till a not decent age.
अरे embarrassing as in किसी और के सामने यार घर पे क्या?
घर पे क्या वो है?
I mean no one knew but like it was embarrassing for me types.
Where is the bags? Oh, it was like the fecal areas.
They're
And
really.
they're not into you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's not embarrassing.
It is the most embarrassing thing you can
Now when I look at it, I'm like, fuck off, yeah, I was just a
no, I
teenager.
don't care. Exactly.
do. Oh.
I mean, okay, I don't know if this is embarrassing. So,
Oh.
So we were in Goa. This is, I don't think this is teenagers, but whatever. We had gone to Goa and we were drunk as fuck, and we were doing crunches outside the waterfall.
I've done a chakrasan.
Working out.
Okay,
story.
You got some calories going.
I think the say
Give
it
me a
because
drunk
you
story, because
drunk
it-
story.
oh,
No,
no,
ठीक
it's
है.
out.
So one Halloween, I was with a couple of group of friends, and I
I
had
would grapple around like what the fuck.
I had 33 shots. Union and I had 33 shots. But in Union, the orange shots fairly are very diluted. It's like 50 rupees ka shot, yeah.
Yeah, they're
So
very
the
diluted.
50 rupees ka shot, like what do you think is
No,
there
they're
in
very
that?
diluted.
This taxi driver is just going like, madam, मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, अब दरवाजा खोल के vomit कर लो. And I'm from Lower Parel to Dadar with the door open, them holding me, and I'm vomiting.
Oh, fuck.
So that was my
My God,
worst.
drunk as fuck.
Have
That's
you
it, they
never
went
blacked
with the
out? I've never blacked
No.
out.
the crunches.
Jitte chaiya.
So there was a couple that they were fighting, okay, and they were fighting in Gujarati, and I said out very loud. I was like, "Yuck, why are they fighting in Gujarati?"
She's Gujua, by the way. Like, what the fuck is wrong with her?
And I've said it loud. I think they would have heard it. And my friend has literally put his hand on my mouth, like,
much
"Shut up, shut up."
Have you ever taken a rice purity test as a teenager?
What is the rice purity test?
She's so weird. Oh my god.
What is the rice
What the hell?
purity test?
So it's
This is the
basically like.
first time.
Is
a
it
hard
RIC
question.
like an abbreviation?
Like rice, like food rice? Like what?
It's just basically like a. Like your the score. The lower your score is, the more that kind of test it is.
Can you put this up? I really don't
It's
know.
huge and I just did it. We'll do it tomorrow. No, I'll give some juicy rapid fire. I'm shaping. I'm help shaping your job. Like what?
क्या हो रहा है भाई मेरी ठुड्डी पे लगा है
What did he say?
Thuddi.
What is it? Thuddi. What the fuck is thuddi, bhai?
I thought first you said huddy, so I just
What
ignored
मारू?
it.
What मारू? बीकानेर में तो हम तो ऐसी मारू नहीं बोलते हैं यार. थुड्डी. बुड्ढी तो मैंने मेरे जिंदगी में आज तक नहीं सुना.
What bhavakna means?
वो हाँ भपकना like